Hi, I'm Kelly Pallanti, founder and CEO of Mentally Fit Workplaces, and this is another week of our series, How to Talk About Mental Health at Work. This week, we're going to talk about stigma, how to reduce stigma of talking about mental health in the workplace. And we're going to talk about two ways that you can do that. One is inside your teams. When you're having team meetings, when you're discussing in small groups with people inside the organization, agree that there are some things that you're going to possibly words not use that cause stigma with mental health. A good example is the word crazy. We often say this one in our colloquial use of American English that situation is crazy or that person is crazy. And I know it seems like something that's part of our everyday language, but it could actually inhibit somebody from coming forward because we look as crazy as something that is not right, that's something that is bad. So we could be actually damaging someone's mental health and really increasing that stigma around mental health when we use those type of language. So one way that we can reduce stigma at work is maybe agree to reduce our use of words like crazy, things that maybe have a connotation to mental health and would prevent somebody from coming forward. Number two, talk about mental health and the terms of mental health in resources. So this could be as far as in presentations that are given to the overall organization. If there is town hall, if there is a once a year retreat, talk about mental health. Use the word mental health. Talk about how it's important for mental well-being, how work-life harmony is also important inside organizations. Just start using the words. I know it seems like something simple, but that's how we start to reduce stigma in an organization is just by starting. So it takes someone to start role modeling that behavior, and then others will do the same. It is really quite contagious once you do it. And it doesn't take a senior leader to start that. There could be any mental health champion inside the organization who could speak up and start talking about stigma and more use of mental health positive words inside the organization. Stay tuned for next week when we give another example of how to talk about mental health at work.